Welcome to my YouTube channel WJMSS. Welcome to all the students, those who watch my videos. Now we are going to discuss same chapter, polynomial. The question is, if alpha, beta, gamma are zeros of the cubic polynomial px equal to 7x cube minus 21x square plus 24x plus 5, then find the value of alpha inverse plus beta inverse plus gamma inverse. Another part is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Especially for the mega level student, you can see exercise 2b, question number 6. For mega level student, you can see exercise 2b, question number 6. So this is the question: if alpha, beta, gamma are zeros of the cubic polynomial px equal to 7x cube minus 21x square plus 24x plus 5, then find the value of Roman 1 alpha inverse plus beta inverse plus gamma inverse, Roman 2 alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. So let's start the solution. So the given polynomial is 7x cube minus 21x square plus 24x plus 5. This is the cubic polynomial. It means we will get three values of x. These three values means alpha, beta, gamma, which are called the zeros of the cubic polynomial. So this polynomial, what we can write? Given polynomial is what is the given polynomial? Given polynomial is 7x cube minus 21x square plus 24x plus 5. 7x cube minus 21x square plus 24x plus 5. This is the given polynomial. This polynomial, given polynomial is this one we can compare. Comparing the given polynomial one thing is there. You can see there is given px equal to 7x cube. So you can write also here also px equal to 7x cube minus 20. Px means what? Function of x. This polynomial is made by what? Made by this x cube. That's why this is function of x. It means px. You can write gx also, whatever you want, no problem. It means if there is t, then we have to write here t. If t cube like that, then pt. If there is suppose r, then we have to write function of r. It means pr. Then here will be 7r cube minus 21r square plus 24r plus 5, like that. So comparing the given polynomial with, or we can write directly this one like that also. Directly we can write comparing with, what is this? Comparing with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, comparing with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. What is this? This is the general form of the cubic polynomial. This ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the general form of the cubic polynomial. So with this, if you compare first part, in this case always remember this a not equal to 0. This a value cannot be 0. That's why a not equal to 0. We get what we will get? Look, ax cube 7x cube. So we can write a equal to ax cube 7x cube. It means we can write what we can write? A equal to how much? 7, comma b equal to bx square minus 21x square plus bx square minus 21x square. So here is plus b, here is minus 21. So we can write minus 21. B value how much? Minus 21, comma c equal to cx and 24x plus cx plus 24x. So c equal to, we can write 24. D plus d plus 5 and d equal to plus 5. D value is how much? Plus 5. What I said last time, the zeros are alpha, beta, gamma. So what our formula we have learned from the last classes? We have learned alpha plus beta plus gamma. Now alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. It means what? Sum of the zeros. What is the formula? Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to, the formula is minus b by a, minus b by a, minus b by a. So minus is minus, b value how much? Minus 21, minus 21. A value how much? 7. So b by a, b value minus 21, b by a value how much? 7. So this minus and this minus, minus a plus. So 21 by 7, 21 by 7. So 7 into 3 how much? 21. 21 divided by 7 means how much? 3. So like that, alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to, we can get like that. Similarly, there is more formula. When you will take the zeros, when you will take it for 2 times, then you will get the another one formula. Then what formula will come? Sum of the product of zeros taken 2 at a time. Sum of the product of the zeros taken 2 at a time. It means alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to, what is the formula? The formula is C by A. C by A. So we can write C divided by A. What is the value of C now? C value is 24. C value is how much? 24. A value how much? 7. It means 7. 24 by 7. C by A. Then another one formula is remain. It means product of the zeros. Product of all 3 zeros. There is how many zeros? 3 zeros. Alpha, beta, gamma. So product of zeros means what? Alpha, beta, gamma. What is the formula? Alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha into beta into gamma. What is that formula? That formula is minus d by a, minus d by a, minus constant term divided by coefficient of x cube. So minus d by a. Minus is minus. Then d value how much? Look the d value. D value is 5. A value is how much? A value is 7. It means minus 5 by 7. It means this is minus 5 by 7 is the alpha, beta, gamma value. Now, what is the question part? Look the Roman 1 part. Now we can write Roman 1. What is the Roman 1? Alpha to the power minus 1 plus beta to the power minus 1 plus gamma to the power minus 1. Or we can read it like that also. Alpha inverse plus beta inverse plus gamma inverse. So we can write alpha inverse plus beta inverse plus gamma inverse. Alpha inverse plus beta inverse plus gamma inverse. This is equal to what is this? Alpha inverse means what? 1 by alpha. Beta inverse means what? 1 by beta. Plus gamma inverse means what? 1 by gamma. So from where 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma is coming? We have learned last time from the 6, 7, 8 one formula, a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n. A to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n. Similarly, here n value is 1. A to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n. So 1 divided by a to the power n. Actually there will be alpha to the power 1. 1 by alpha to the power 1. So alpha to the power 1. 1 as a power, no need to write it. That's why 1 by alpha. Simply the formula is like that. A to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by a to the power 1. So 1 by a. It will be like that. So this is the expression come. We can see alpha, beta, gamma are the denominator in this expression. Alpha, beta, gamma are the denominator. So we can write here? Alpha, beta, gamma. By taking LCM, alpha, beta, gamma. Now we can cancel alpha, alpha. We can cancel alpha, alpha. What is remain? Beta, gamma. This beta, gamma into 1. Beta gamma into 1. So what is this? Beta gamma. Plus is plus. Now beta beta cancel. Beta beta cancel. If beta beta cancel, then what is remain? Alpha gamma. So this alpha gamma into 1. Alpha gamma into 1 means how much? Alpha gamma into 1 means alpha gamma means gamma alpha. This is same only. AB or BA always same because multiplication. So what is this? Alpha gamma remain. We can write it gamma alpha also. We can write it alpha gamma also. So similarly gamma gamma cancel. We have to divide this gamma and gamma. Gamma gamma cancel. Remain what? Alpha beta. Alpha beta into 1. What is remain? Plus alpha beta. This is equal to look, beta gamma, gamma alpha, alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha, alpha beta. What is the value? Beta gamma, gamma alpha, alpha gamma. What is the value we are getting? We are getting the value 24 by 7. If the position is not same, also no problem because symbols are same. Here also plus, here also plus. If the position of the variables are not same, then no problem. So beta gamma, gamma alpha, alpha beta means alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha same because the symbols are same only. So the value of alpha beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha we are getting 24 by 7. So we can write here 24 divided by 7. We can write here 24 divided by 7. Similarly, here alpha beta gamma value we are getting how much? Minus 5 by 7. So we can write here minus 5 divided by 7. So what we can see, here is a minus symbol, so we can put this minus symbol here first of all. Then 7 denominator, here also 7 denominator. 24 by 7, it means 7 is the denominator, and 5 by 7, it means 7 is the denominator. So denominator cancel. What is remain in the upper portion? 24. What is remain in the lower portion? 5. So minus 24 by 5 is the first answer. Minus 24 by 5 is the first answer for this question Roman 1. So this is one answer. Similarly, for this Roman 2, what is the question? Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square equal to, what is the formula? We have to remember the formula. A square plus b square plus c square equal to, we can write what? A plus b plus c whole square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. This is the formula. So this formula we can write it like that also. Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square equal to, we can write alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. We can write the formula like that also. Alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So this formula you try to by heart, all of you. This is equal to, put the value alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is the value? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is the value we are getting? 3. So we can write here 3. So there is square, it means we can put here square also. So it means since there is square, there will be square. So 3 square minus 2 is 2. Now again we have to put alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. What is the value? Look the board. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. What is the value? 24 by 7. So into 24 by 7. What we can see, 2 is the numerator, 24 also numerator. So 2 into 24 we have to multiply. First of all, 3 square equal to 9. 3 square equal to 9 minus 2 into 24. How much? 2 into 24. How much? 48 divided by 7. Now what we can see, how we have to do. 7 is 7, and here what we have to do? 7 into 9. 7 into 9, how much? 7 into 9, how much? 63. And 7 divided by 7 cancel. So remain result 1. 1 into 48, 48. This is equal to 63 minus 48. What is the result? 15. 15 by 7. So this is the second part. This is the answer of the second part. It means question number 1 to answer is this one, 15 by 7, and the first answer, question number 1 answer is minus 24 by 5. So if you create any problem, if you make any doubt, then you can write comment in the comment box. So thank you all of you again. Please try to watch the video nicely. Okay then, bye all of you.